This video shows you an example of the process to produce a manufacturing item, in other words, a finished good part. In the Epicor Kinetic system, part entry is where your item information can be configured and applied various business rules. For example, if the SKU is required to track the expiry date or supplier lot, heat number, cure number, manufacturing date, etc., track lot functionality is readily available, or if you need to serialize big equipment and machine, it is a system standard. You can enter and view the attribute set with the attached images and dimensions, commercial and general information. If your production process is complex and has nesting BOM, this example is a good representative of how multi-level BOM can be configured into Epicor Kinetic. When a new sales order is entered into the system, time phase inquiry is where you see demand and supply in a timeline interface. At this moment, no system suggestion is shown for this order. Now, let's run MRP process for the production and purchasing plan. In the time phase inquiry, refresh, you can see how the job suggestion is automatically created after processing MRP for the sales order. We shall also find all the PO suggestions for the materials required to produce this item now shown in the Epicor purchase order suggestion. The purchase order can simply be created at a click of the fingertip. The PO is created with 4 lines based on our previous selections. From the MRP suggestion job, we can see the new job is created by confirming the suggestion. It contains sub-assemblies and routings, or in other words bills of operations, that detail the sequencing of how the item should be manufactured. What if we need to bring the work-in-progress product outside to be coated or have additional finishing? You can do it with Epicor subcontract operation. We can configure with the method of manufacturing with different factors, suggest, scrap percentage, or salvage quantity, in this case, is 0.05. What if a job can produce multiple finished goods? You can do it with Coparts feature. A job traveler report can be easily printed out for the production team for shop floor job allocation and data scanning. It contains all the information on the required subassembly, raw material components, and operations and instruction if any. Additionally, it can be set up to have the barcode or QR code depending on the business preference to scan to enter data. Quickly and accurately record data. How can the warehouse team role be elevated in the system process flow? They can print out the jobs pick list report to assist with the material preparation and picking prior and during the production. The warehouse team can tell what they need, how many, and from where the stock can be retrieved. Picking routes can be created. Production Planner Workbench is one of those report both purchasing team and warehouse team can use to check jobs with a shortage material to make the right course of action daily. Similarly, Kanban Monitor, or real-time dashboard that highlights the low-level inventory areas that require stock replenishment. For production scheduling, select all the jobs you need to check their schedules in the job scheduling board. As part of the manufacturing suite, MES is embedded in Epicor Kinetic to enable labor time recording and quantity produced by employees and by shift. The employee can clock into the job by clicking the Start Production button and selecting End Activity to report the quantity and time in the system auto capture. To see how data was recorded for this example, we can open the Labor Transaction Grid and Job Tracker to view the reported quantity and captured labor time.